Alright guys, I came out here to do a cold start on my old beast here. This is a 2000 Suzuki King Quad that I've been beating on since '04. And yeah, it came with that rip. It wasn't that big, but it came with it. You know, so I was gonna do a cold start on it and decided not to work, so I'm gonna pull the battery here and bring it in and put it on the charger. Let's get something set up here and see what we can do. Alright, let's see what I can do one-handed here. Don't mind the shaky video here. I think I'll put a little grease on these things next time, you know, make it a little easier. Come on. I shoehorn this battery in here. You can see it's a little big. Not exactly much room on the cable either, you know. Why the hell don't it want to come out of there? That's a tighter fit than I thought it was. Alright, I guess we'll do it the hard way. Would have been nice if I went and grabbed a ratchet, huh? Maybe that'll loosen it up enough I can get it with my hand. I don't remember it being that tight putting it on. Damn. Okay, I guess the tool's the way to go. Here I thought I was gonna be real quick, you know, just grab a pliers and well, vice grips and knock the nut off. Get the hell out of here. That's annoying. There we go. Come on. There we go. That was weird. Maybe I'll have to put a little something on that. Drill that out a little. Yeah, gotta fight. It's always gotta be a fight, right? Nothing ever gives up easy. Yeah, see, that was the same way. I must have been in a hurry that day. Anywho, wow. What a... Probably be better if I had both hands, huh? Kill him. Unbelievable. Such is it. Such is my luck. Well, you get the gist. Well, I got that done, and I'll pull the battery out of here and show you my custom work. see the big, all the plastic I had to cut out of there just to be able to put this bad boy in there? That's alright. It's way better than those cheap little ones that never seem to last. This is a deep cell battery. Should last me a little longer. Alright, let's go put this on the couch here by the garage. Show you my mess. You know, never pick up after myself. You know, after a little project, I just had to do a bunch of work on this snowball. You know, still got the scrap snowball parts laying around. But, you know, I don't know. I've been neglecting my garage. I think, you know, come in here to put the battery on a charger, and I don't even have room on the desk to do it. So today's gonna be cleanup day a little bit here. Take care of the hoard a little bit, clean her up. Well, I got the battery on the charger overnight, and we'll see how it's going tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.